Hello, eagles. It's Keroy here, and today I'm reading for you Low Hanging Fruit. This was inspired by that saying, I think it's in economics. When you're starting businesses, you find the low hanging fruit, so that will be a cash cow, an easy business to do. So in this case, it's finding the more soft, the soft, a soft path for yourself. Finding a path that is agreeable for yourself. That is the low hanging fruit in this instance. It's not necessary to always do the hard things the hard way. There are always wisdom nuggets along the way to help you do things easier. Low hanging fruit. The sweet rhythm of words stationed in the heavens like a full fluffy cloud, filling the earth plane with droplets of divine wisdom. Feels like picking low hanging fruit ready for consumption. Yeah, low hanging fruit. For me, writing poetry is my low hanging fruit because the words are just lingering around, just ready to drop and for me to pen them down. I'll read this again. So find the easier path in your particular circumstance. The sweet rhythm of words stationed in the heavens like a full fluffy cloud, filling the earth plane with droplets of divine treasures. Feels like picking low hanging fruit ready for consumption. Talk to you soon. Keroy here.